Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this bag or purse for sunglasses. You can use it for anything, like if you want to keep your crochet hooks, or if you have a project and you just put in here your like scissor, your crochet hook and like needle, and just carry it with you. That's a great idea too. So I'm gonna be working with you. I'm gonna be showing you how to make this throughout. So as you can see, we made this as one piece. We started from here and we went up, and then we just did the edges where we added the space here for the bottom. And alright, for today's tutorial, we're gonna need your yarn. So basically, since we're working with the measurements, we're gonna do this 7 inches, and then here it's gonna be 3.5 inches. So basically, you can choose whatever yarn you want, and you can choose the crochet hook that you want. One thing, you need to use a crochet hook smaller than the recommended hook for the yarn, so we don't have like a big space in here between the stitches. Okay, so whatever is inside, you can't see through it. So I'm using this yarn, and I'm using crochet hook size 4. You're gonna need your scissor, and you're going to need a needle to sew the end, and you're gonna need your button. Okay, so this is all the materials that you're going to need, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're going to start here with chains. So we're going to do 30 chain. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so here I have 30 chain, and I want to make sure that this is equal to 60 chains. So this is from 0 up to here, that's 6 inches. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and make one chain as a so now we have 30 chains. We're gonna go ahead and do one more chain, and then in the second chain from the hook we're going to do a single crochet. Okay, the one next to it is gonna be a double crochet. Now the one next to it, again, it's gonna be a single crochet, and then double crochet. So the pattern is basically a single, double, single, double, single, double. Okay, so this is single, and here's the double crochet. Single, double, and you're gonna repeat this until the end of this round. Okay, so here we end with a double crochet. So I have here a single crochet, the one next to it is gonna be a double crochet. Okay, and now for the next round or the next row, you're gonna chain 1. So every time we go to the next row, you do chain 1, and on top of each double crochet we do a single, and then in top of each single crochet we do a double crochet. So right here we have a double crochet in the last row. We're gonna yarn over, we're gonna do a single crochet on top of it. Okay, here we have a single crochet, we're going to do a double crochet. Okay, and then now we're going to repeat this. So single, double, that means here single, that means in the next one is going to be a double. Okay, single, and then here double. Okay, and then here single again, double, and you're gonna repeat this until like the end. Okay. Okay, so here in the last one, we're on the last stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. Okay, chain one and turn. Okay, so this is how the pattern looks right now. And as I said, in the top of each double crochet we do single. So here's gonna be a single, and the next stitch is gonna be a double crochet, and you will do this, you will repeat this, the same thing, okay, right here. You will repeat this until you reach 9 inches. You can do 7 inches, you can do 8 inches, do your desired length, okay. So here I reached the size that I need. So here I have 9 inches. So if you check from here to here, I have 9 inches. And now what we're going to do, we're going to do the board, the edges, okay. So we're going to do one chain, and then we will do a single crochet all around it, okay. So we start from here. On each in each row we were going to do a single crochet. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, here's 5. Okay, so on this round you're going to work a single crochet evenly, okay. So I will come to you when I'm in the corner. Okay, so here I reached the end, and in this right here, the corner, we're going to do two single crochets. So this is 1, and then in the same space again, I'm going to insert my hook and do another one. Okay, so this is the corner, and then we will go around and do a single crochet around here. So now what you're going to do, you're going to continue a single crochet. When you reach here, you do 2 single crochet and then single crochet all around here, and then I will come to you when I reach this corner right here. Okay, so here I'm done. I'm reaching the corner right here, and this is the first stitch from the last row where we did it here. So I'm going to insert my hook and do 2 single crochet, because this is count as the corner. So this is 1 and 2. Okay, so in here we have 30 single crochet. We're going to count until we're going to do like a single crochet, 14 single crochet, and then we're going to do chains. We are going to skip 1, and then we're gonna continue. Okay, so right here in the corner, we did 1 single crochet that counts for this round here. So when you do the corner, count this as 1, not 2. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 13, and 14. Okay, so in here I'm going to chain 4. So this is 1, 2, 3. I'm going to skip 1 here and single crochet in the one next to it. Okay, so in here I'm going to do a single crochet. Okay, so this space right here, it depends. You can skip 2 stitches, you can do 5 chains right here, but for me this space 4 is enough for my button. So this one is good for me. As I said, you can skip 2 or do more chains. Okay, so now I'm going to continue single crochet until the end. Okay, so I reached the last stitch right here. I'm going to do 2 single crochet in it. So this is the second one, and then here we're going to slip stitch to the first chain from the edges and then slip stitch. Okay, now I'm gonna fasten off my yarn. Okay, so now we turn this to the wrong side, and this is how we're going to sew it. Okay, I'm gonna cut this one right here. Okay, we're gonna fold this twice, so you should have 3.5 inches from this side. So 3.5, so this is 3. I'm gonna add it a little bit more space, so from here to here this is 3.5. Okay, so it's right here, 3.5. so this is good for me. If you have like a needle or a pin where you can attach this like that. Okay, now I'm going to sew the edges. So I'm going to start with this side right here. I'm gonna tie it. You can sew it whatever you like, but I sewed it this way before, and I'm gonna do the same thing where you just go over it. So you take 1 stitch from here, 1 stitch from the other side. So I tied it, and then I'm gonna weave this. You're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this side right here. Okay, all right, so here I finished sewing the sides. Okay, and this is how they look. And now I'm going to sew the bottom. So I'm gonna place this right here and see where it should be at. So it should be right here. Okay, and 1 second, and I'm going to spread this يا حبيبتي. Okay, so let's check again. Okay, so it's gonna be on this round right here. I'm gonna insert. I don't want to pull the thread all the way out, so I'm just gonna hold it like that, and then I'm gonna go back again here. نعم حبيبي. And I'm gonna tie these together.
No, did it be and hide that?
Okay.
Mama.
This is how it look like. I'm gonna go through this like 2 more times. All right. I'm gonna tie it one more time and then I'm gonna weave in the end, okay?
Okay.
Alright, with this here we end our tutorial. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you made one, please share it with me through my Instagram and tag me. I would be more than happy to see it and share on my account. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any questions, please, you can leave them down in the comments or you can email me. All right, thank you so much, and see you next time.